The next generation of wearable and medical devices isn't limited by design. It's limited by power. As devices get smaller, smarter, and more integrated into our lives, the battery becomes the constraint. Power 3D is here to remove that problem. Power 3D is a spin-out of Carnegie Mellon University, where our team developed breakthrough approaches to 3D printed energy systems. Our core technology comes from the lab of Dr. Rahul Panat, a leader in advanced manufacturing and battery architectures, and was further developed by our CTO, Chunchan Hu, during his PhD as he translated that research into scalable 3D printing processes.
Device companies are forced into impossible trade-offs. If you want smaller devices, you sacrifice battery life. If you want more power, you increase size. Traditional microbatteries are rigid, limited in form, and slow to evolve. So innovation gets boxed in by outdated energy solutions.
Power 3D is building microbatteries using 3D printed electrodes. This increases energy density by 50 to 100%, while enabling completely custom shaped thin sizes. Instead of designing around the battery, you can finally design the battery around the product. Smaller, more powerful, better integrated.
We use advanced 3D printing to create intricate electrode architectures that pack more energy into less space. These structures improve ion transport and maximize performance without increasing footprint. And because the process is digital, batteries can be customized without slowing down the manufacturing.
For our customers, this unlocks entirely new possibilities. Design without compromise, creating lighter wearables, more discrete medical devices, and products that feel as good as they perform. Delivering more functionality in less space. This isn't just a better battery, it's a new foundation for device innovation.
As part of the Robotics Factory Accelerate cohort, Power 3D has built 300 prototypes, which are currently at industry standards of energy density, with a roadmap to achieve a 100% increase. We're building alongside some of the most advanced robotics and manufacturing companies in an environment designed for the breakthrough technologies to market faster.
As devices become more personal, more connected, and more powerful, energy needs to evolve with them. Power 3D is building the future of compact energy one layer at a time. If you're building the next generation of devices, your battery shouldn't be the limitation. Power 3D makes sure it isn't. This is power redesigned from the inside out.